What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Ricky Somborn, and today we're going to learn how to play Say Something by A Great Big World on this thing, the uke. So make sure to grab your uke, make sure it's in tune, and let's get to learning. But before we dive into this tutorial, make sure to click that red subscribe button below. It looks a little bit like this. Click it, it will turn gray. Also, if you want to be notified every single time I upload a video right here on YouTube, make sure to hit the bell icon right next to the subscribe icon. And most importantly, what will help me out so much is if you give this video a thumbs up. That basically tells YouTube, this video is awesome, let's share it out to more people. And that's how we grow, and that's how we just do more things. And finally, I created a Patreon account, so if you do want to ever support me in any way, click the link below. It'll be in the top of the description, also top of the comments. Join the Patreon family, where they're super new. There's not that many people there, so I get to talk to you guys on a daily basis because there's not a lot of people there yet. So if you want to hop on in, be early access to everything, then join the Patreon account. But we got all that stuff out of the way. Let's go ahead and learn this song. So this song is fairly easy in that it has 5 chords and they're all pretty much basic chords, which is the A minor, F, C, G, and E minor. So if you know how to play those chords, then you can go ahead and skip ahead right here. Skip to the section where you want the chords, the strumming, the mini play along, whatever section you want. Go ahead and skip. You're not going to hurt my feelings if you skip ahead to this video. But if you're like, Ricky, I don't know how to play the C or the G or an E minor or any of those chords, I'm just starting. Don't worry, this is why this video exists. We're going to go step by step on how to play each chord. Then we're going to move on to strumming. Then we're going to move on to the mini play along. So let's go ahead and get into chords. So before we talk about chords and their finger placement, let's go ahead and pick up our ukulele and let's talk about how we number the strings. So basically how we're going to number these is the top string right here is going to be the 4th string, and then the next one down is the 3rd, the next one down is the 2nd, and the last one at the bottom, that's going to be the 1st string. Also, one thing I do want to note about this ukulele as well is that this has a low G, so it's going to have a little bit of a lower sound, but don't worry if you don't have low G on your ukulele and you just have regular strings, it will sound just as perfect on any uke that you have. But I just want to mention, just so in case you're like, mine sounds a little bit higher, doesn't sound like yours, don't worry, it's just the string that I have on here because I feel like for me it complements my voice. And then also let's talk about the frets. So I'm going to say 1st fret or 2nd fret. So these lines right here, these are the sort of fret dividers, and it's 1st fret, 2nd fret, 3rd fret, 4th fret, 5th fret, and then so on. So let's talk about the A minor chord. So you're going to place your middle finger on the 4th string, which again is the top string, 4th string, 2nd fret, and it should sound like this. And again, I will have a diagram right next to me to show you exactly where you should put your fingers, so it'll be a lot visually and a lot easier for you. The second chord that we're going to learn is the F chord. So you're going to keep your middle finger on that 4th string, 2nd fret, like you did for the A minor, but then you're going to add your pointer finger and you're going to place it on the 2nd string, 1st fret, and it should sound like this. The next chord that we're going to learn is the C chord, and you're just basically going to place your ring finger and you're going to place it on the 1st string, 2nd fret, and it should sound somewhat like this. The next chord that we're going to learn is the G chord, and how I like to play it is I like to place my pointer finger on the 3rd string, 2nd fret, then I take my middle finger and I place it on the 1st string, 2nd fret, and then I take my ring finger and I place it on the 2nd string, 3rd fret, and it should sound like this. And last but not least is the E minor chord, which is basically looks like a staircase going down. You're going to be placing your pointer finger on the 1st string, 2nd fret. Then you're going to take your middle finger and you're going to place it on the 2nd string, 3rd fret. And then you're going to take your ring finger and you're going to place it on the 3rd string, 4th fret, and it should sound somewhat like this. And again, this one does have the low G on it, so it sounds a little bit deeper, but those are the chords that you need. If you need a little bit more time and a little bit more practice on learning the finger placements for each chord, go ahead and pause this video. I highly recommend to do that just to get really comfortable with the chords and the finger placement for each one. And let's talk about strumming. Alrighty, so we have made it to the strumming portion of this video. So let's pick up our ukulele and let's start with the A minor chord. Let's start with the A minor, and basically the strumming pattern that we're going to do is down, up, down, up, down, up. Let's do it one more time. In 3, 2, 1, down, up, down, up, down, up. Let's do it one more time. In 3, 2, 1, down, up, down, up, down, up. So you're going to do that for each chord, and then we're going to go to F, down, up, down, up, down, up. We're going to go to C, down, up, down, up, down, up, and then G, down, up, down, up, down, up. So go ahead and practice that strumming pattern, which again, just down, up, down, up, down, up. And let's see how everything kind of goes together in just a nice little package deal. And go to the mini play along. Again, if you do want to look at the full play along, I'll put a link right up here. It'll say click here for full play along. I did the full song and then I put the lyrics and the chords on screen just so it's easy for you. Also, what I do want to note is in the description below, I have the full lyrics with the chords above where you should be changing chords as well, just so it's for you and it's easier for you so you can copy and paste it and put it on your laptop or wherever, write it down in your notebook. Whatever you want to do, you have it there for you and you can keep it. And you can also just come back to this video every single time you want to learn it or play along. That would be awesome. So definitely go check that play along video out and leave some love on that. So yeah, let's mini play along. We'll start in 3, 2, 1. Say something, I'm giving up on you. I'll be the one if you want me to. Anywhere I would have followed you. Say something, I'm giving up on you. And I was feeling so small. It was over my head. I know nothing at all. So congratulations, you now know how to play Say Something by A Great Big World on the good old uke. If you did like this video, make sure to give it a big old thumbs up. Again, remember, that's the most important thing. Also, share this video with your friends. Leave a comment below, share on all social medias. If you do want to follow me on Instagram, we have just hit 51,000 followers on Instagram. It's a huge family. I absolutely love talking with you guys and sharing your posts and sharing if you guys learn any songs from any of the play alongs to tutorials and you share it on your socials and you tag me. I always love to share with everybody, and everybody has great things to say about each other. So you've definitely created a super community on Instagram, so definitely go follow me. It's just at Ricky Somborn. I'll put it somewhere on here, Ricky Somborn. Just go follow me, say hi, leave me a DM saying you came from YouTube. So yeah, anyways, if you haven't already and you're still watching this video, hit that subscribe button below and click the bell icon to be notified every single time I upload on YouTube. And that's pretty much it. So thank you so much for watching this video. I truly do love making these and hanging out with you guys and teaching just ukulele and just the love of music. So if you did like it, make sure to, again, give it a big old thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.